Okay, so today we're gonna change the transmission oil on this C5 Corvette. Obviously it's up on the lift. You can do it on ramps, but if you have a lift, why not use a lift? Simple. Anyways, remember always to use Dexron 3 or equivalent. This is your fill plug. This is your drain plug. It's right here. It's dirty as hell. This is where it's gonna land. Obviously I don't have the lifted or the little oil receiver, but it's gonna work. This thing is a little bit messy because one of the boots broke off from the CV axle, but yeah, we're gonna do that oil. So let's start by loosening that up first. And if while you're here you want to do the rear diff oil, that's your fill plug right here, and this is your drain plug right here. Easy. When it comes to this car, everything is simple. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to adjust the exhaust because this one is popping out a little bit more, so I'm just gonna loosen it up from here. But that'll be after I swap this oil out. This is all it's gonna take. Simple tools. I already loosened it up, but shouldn't take much. This is a fill plug, but I'm gonna take this one off first so it doesn't. So if it starts flowing out, it shouldn't be much. But yes, it is transmission fluid. I'll show you what fluid I'm gonna use. And it cost me around $80. I'm gonna go with a AMS torque drive. And the reason I'm doing it is because this car has 170,000 miles. It looks pretty dark. I can't really tell, but that thing is gonna be splashing a lot. So let me see if I could get a little rag or something. Little piece of rag. Let me see. Get some rags right here. Let's try to get a piece of it, since it's gonna get soaked anyway. Hold on. Okay, so hopefully I can put this back in the video. Obviously it's another video, but I put a rag there so the oil doesn't splash. And that's the fill hole, which is splashing a little bit, so that means it's filled up. So then you're gonna need a spacer to take out, an extension to take out the other one, but since like this one is too big, I'm gonna get another smaller extension. Shop's a little messy, but tools are here, hopefully. Yep. I guess not. Huh. That's funny. I thought I had all my damn tools here. Well, let me look in my other toolbox. Always have your tools ready. I could probably do it with no extension at all, so I don't want to be looking for it. Right here, it fits. It's not that tight at all. Right now, let's hope this thing doesn't go all over the place. Huh. You know what? Let me bring the transmission jack over. Yeah, I didn't know it took this much to make a video, but whatever. It shows you exactly what I deal with. When people grab your tools, the transmission jack will hold the oil pan perfectly. I gotta take some scrap out. See this up here. There you go. Worked perfectly. So let me just move the bucket. Put this here just in case. See? Obviously the rag is there so it doesn't splash. But if it does, oh shit. Definitely did. Shit. Oh hell, made a mess. Now I gotta clean that up. Well, at least I know it's dark. Damn. It's gonna be a hell of a mess. Good thing it's some type of automatic transmission fluid. Hopefully it comes off easy. Alright, well let me cut it off and I'll check back with you guys. Let me clean this up. Well, still not fully clean, but I got some rags down there. Now let's put the plug back on. Since you already did the mess you was gonna do. After this, you might want to get some brake cleaner and spray it off. I obviously went to Advanced Auto Parts and forgot to get all that stuff, so it's gonna have to wait a little bit. It's gonna have to stay dirty for a little bit. So now, let me go ahead and tighten it up. Move this out of the way. Hell, all the fluid ended up on the floor anyway. Using that Barbie shirt now. Clean it up. There you go. Yeah, shit like this happens all the time. I wasn't expecting it to pop out like that. And now let's go ahead and tighten it up. I swear, after changing oil for so many years, I cannot believe it came out like that. I mean, I was kind of expecting it since I removed the fuel plug, but not like that. Not like that whatsoever. Anyways, I'm gonna kind of clean that up a little bit since I'm not gonna spray it with anything. And let's fill it up. So I bought this pump. Obviously you can get it on Amazon for cheap. I used to have one. I don't know where the hell it ended up at. That goes on top of that, obviously. And then we'll get to pumping until fluid starts coming out of the fuel hole. Yeah, you'll see what I mean. Let me open this up real quick. Okay, so here's the little setup. Obviously it went in sideways because of the pickup tube. It was hitting the bottom. So you're gonna put this hose all the way up into the fuel hole. Let's see, right there. And then we pump. Yeah, it's hard as hell to do it with one hand. There you go. It came out. So let me go ahead and set up the phone somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, obviously I'm not gonna edit this video, but yeah, I don't have no tripod or nothing. Let's see. How you guys do this? All right, that works. Start popping this bitch in there. Remember, you gotta pump until it starts flowing out. Pull this over here. That way. Yeah, it sucks. I think we didn't get soaked in all that fluid. It would have sucked even worse. Yeah, depending on the pump, it becomes a pain in the ass. But supposedly, this oil helps it a lot. I'll probably speed all this up. I'll probably don't speed it up. That way you guys know about how long it takes to pump this shit up. Takes a good bit of time. Oh. Fucking sucks. I'm gonna get the plug just in case it starts to get filled. As soon as it starts pouring out, I'm just gonna put the plug in. I don't remember how much it takes, but I think it takes almost the whole gallon. Yeah, you can fast forward the pumping action. But you gotta go through it. Look at all that mess. Alright. Yeah, it's probably my second video, I think, but it's whatever. I at least show you guys how to make a mess on video, or how not to make it. Go ahead and remove the drain plug first. That way it doesn't shoot out like that. But it's gonna come down slow. And this is my third time doing it on a Corvette, so I don't know why I messed up. I don't remember the oil shooting out like that before. There you go, it's starting to come out already. And now you just take out the hose, plug it up. It took almost a whole gallon. Let's put it on here. Let me clean my hands. And we're not editing anything out. It's just different videos because I got to stop the camera a few times, like to clean up a little bit. Okay. So there you go. The plug is up there. Now you just need to turn it up. Line it up. Remember guys, this is a plug. Make it tight. Don't strip it. I don't think it'll be fun stripping that thing. Anyways, that's how long it takes to change fluid, which I think it took like 15-20 minutes. Now I'm gonna adjust the exhaust here. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but I'm gonna do it right now. Fuck it, I'm already here. Let me set up the camera again. There you go. Can you guys see the mess? Yep. Well, keep on looking at it because I'm gonna clean it after. And it's hot in here, so. So let me pick up the pump. I lost the pickup too. Make sure it's cleared out. Put this thing in a bag. And save it. Save it for the next car. Let's put this here. Yeah, this rag's up a lot. I gotta fish out the straw, but meanwhile, this thing can stay here. I'll put it right here so it brings out a little bit more. Clean up the oil. I'll fish up the straw here in a minute. Okay, now let's move that out of the way, move this out of the way. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. It didn't work anyway. Still made a mess. Okay, so we need like a 15 and an extension. The oil change is done. You guys don't gotta watch this, but I'm going to I was just a 15. Yep. This exhaust sounds really good. I'll show you guys here in a minute. Let's see. That way, the pulse battery is through. You don't want to bounce a car around like that. That's good enough. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. That looks pretty straight. Yep, that looks straight enough. Okay, now I get to clean all this shit up. Yeah, that's another day messing with my car. Well, I'm gonna let you guys see how I lower it. That's about it. Then I get to clean up and move on. Give it a test drive. Second gear was just feeling a little bit finicky, but this 2001. Normally 2001s they don't have problems with transmission, but the synchros are not the best. But I already put an adjustable slave cylinder from Tech Performance. I didn't make a video out of it because it takes time to make a video, and I do not even have a little stand for the cell phone, but I'll make videos for the rest of the stuff I make just for the shit of it. I mean, I don't know who's gonna watch it or who's not gonna watch it. I'm gonna post them up. Oh yeah, there's more stuff to do to this car. Hopefully I get to do another swap on OBS, and I'll take a whole video of it, because I know there's many videos out there and they just don't show anything. And a lot of people just want to see the smallest detail when it comes to swaps. But yeah, now I'm full of oil. And there you go. That's how it's done. Just don't make a mess like I did. Oh, before I forget, I'm supposed to show you how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. The exhaust didn't line up like I wanted it, but you don't want to do that up there because it's too dangerous. So let me turn it on for you guys. Yeah, that's the Billy Boat exhaust. Talk to you guys later. Yeah, the antenna works. You never find one that works.